and go to the automation, and just add one automation, add condition. We can choose the device status and find that switch. Okay, switch A. Okay, we can set up. Previously, we can just set up the on or off, and to set up. But at the moment, I think for the SmartThings got some problem. We have to set up the on and to turn on another one. Then send the off to turn off another one. Okay, on, switch on, and add action. Choose the control device. Find the switch B. Save. And we choose the switch on as well, turn on. And save. Okay, click done. Yeah, switch A on. That's the one rule, automation rule. Okay, we need to add another rule. Just add a condition. Just find the switch A as well. Now, this time we choose the switch A off, save, and turn off the switch B off as well. Okay, click done. Yeah. Yeah, we need to do the opposite as well, and when we switch B on and off, we automatically turn on the switch BA on and off. Let's do it. And choose the additions, switch B on and addition switch A on. Okay, done. And another one, control the switch B off, then switch A off. Click done. Yeah. Now we can finish the setting. Then when we turn on switch A, we automatically turn on switch B. Turn on the switch B, we automatically turn on switch A as well. Okay, that's it.